Yeah, remember the cloud? The downpour was right there. Look where it is now. It's going north. That's our 1,500 foot hill. The 8,000 feet ones are all up there. You can't even see them. Wow. Oh, look at the rain coming down. There's a name for that and I can never remember it. Yeah, look, it's moving. The clouds are moving and they're just bringing the rain with them. I don't know how long they'll be able to stand out here. Lots of thunder. It's just kind of rolling thunder. There are some really loud, yeah, now look, the wind's picking up. Wind is picking up. Ooh, wind is really picking up now. Temperature's dropping. Wind is picking up. It's heading our way. Oh yeah. Oh, here it comes. Gotta go.